Today we will be looking at more string operations: concat, toUpperCase, toLowerCase, and split. Let's get started. First off, let's look at the easiest of the functions, concat. Concat is a string function that takes two strings and returns the second attached to the end of the first. This is known as concatenation. Something to note though is that it won't add the second string to the end of the first string, but rather it will simply return the concatenation. This can also be done with a plus sign, achieving the same goal. Next, let's look at toUpperCase and toLowerCase. These two functions do just about what you would expect them to do. When you perform this operation on a string, it will either capitalize or lowercase all letters in the string, respectively. Finally, let's take a look at split. Split is a function that has at least one parameter, which is a regex, something you will learn about in the next string operations video, and an optional second parameter, which is the limit for the length of the output array. This will make sense in a minute. Now that we have this clear, let's move on. The most basic description of a regex is a string that can include descriptions of another string. That's all we need to know for this string operation. Okay, so now, split takes a string and creates an array of multiple subsections of the string, using the regex to know when to cut the substrings and the limit to know if the array has become too long. For example, if I use any string and split it with the regex of space, it will create an array with the words that are in the string. That's it for this video. I hope to see you next time. Have a fabulous day.